No.
What will happen if inflation is higher than unemployment and vice versa?
So, una-una yung the way I understand inflation first. So, yung mga dito kasi sa inflation is the change in prices. Tama ba?
Opo.
Okay, so, sa akin, if the inflation rate is greater than the unemployment rate, siguro makaka-cope yung mga tao. Kasi there is a means. Kumbaga, there's still employment, pero kapag natataasan yung prices, there are still jobs to provide for them. However, if the unemployment rate is greater than inflation, there is still inflation. However, mas mataas yung unemployment rate, so people will find harder to cope with the demands of the economy.
Second question, what are the positive and negative effects of inflation in employment to our society?
So, una-una, with regard to inflation, well, personally, so inflation rates, kung nagmamahal yung prices, it will encourage people to budget, magtipid, and also to separate their needs and wants. With regard to their negative effects naman, of course, fewer needs will be met. Katulad kung tataasan yung prices of mga basic needs like food, many will go hungry. That's one. And of course, in the long run, it will result to poverty. With regard to unemployment, I cannot see any positive effect of that. Because if unemployment is okay, many will not strive. Okay. The negative effect of unemployment is, of course, if people will stay at home, then especially couples, if both couples are at home, therefore they will result to adding up to the population. And of course, in the long run also, poverty. And individually, there will be a sense of unworthiness. No? Dahil wala kang nagagawa for the family and for the people in your surroundings.
What will be the effect of unemployment on our economy?
Okay, so una-una, kasi lagi natin sinasabi, buy Filipino products. If few Filipino people will be unemployed, therefore, very few maging output. Very few products will be made. And one more thing is that there will be a large dependence of the companies to the machines. Dahil kung konti na yung taong tatrabaho, the companies will be dependent on machines, ultimately. Therefore, mas mababawasan na din yung need for these people.
What are the reasons of unemployment?
So, reasons, una-una, yung dependence natin on agriculture. The Philippines is a largely agricultural society, so hindi tayo nakakasabay with the trends, no? Siyempre, kung mga farmlands yan, usually farmlands, tapos matatagal ng building, many will go unemployed. Next is, people are becoming contented. Sobrang natin sila, relaxed of what they have. And the family ties also is affected. Like, okay lang na din sa magulang na nagpo-provide forever for the needs of their children. And one other reason is that yung education attainment. Okay. Very few people finish college, very few people reach high school, so they have very few employment opportunities.
What should be the move of our government if unemployment is higher than inflation?
Okay, so una-una, with regard to unemployment, of course, always provide more jobs that would cater to the skills. Kasi sabi nga natin, hindi lahat nakakatapos ng high school, college. And then, with regard to inflation, dapat meron siya ng control. Kasi ang nakakataas naman usually yung VAT eh. Diba? So, they have control over those kinds of regulations. And of course, the basic price of the commodities.
What can we do today to lessen the unemployment in the Philippines?
Okay, so unang-una, okay, bilang educator, dapat yung standards of the Philippine educational system, especially the public school system, kasi doon pupunta ay mahirap eh. So, improvement of the school system. Okay, so that's one. And then the other one is, of course, tayo, we should protect our rights. Okay, rights with regard employment opportunities and with regard to education, we should assert.
Thank you, Miss.